Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I just finished up looking at the Young job, which is moving along right as scheduled. The electricians have just finished their rough-in, which is when they expose all the wires and get them all in the locations that they need to be so everyone else can install all the things around it. And then they will come back in and install the outlets and all of the lights and finish everything up. The floor has also been installed, which looks amazing. I love the color of it. And the cabinets are coming up next, so stay tuned. In this kitchen, we have used Brighton cabinets, which is our custom cabinet line. As you can see, the cabinets are placed and kind of staged where they are supposed to be. Nothing is nailed down or anything yet. That Lazy Susan cabinet there in the corner was actually sent to us backwards, so we had to take it apart and put it together the proper way. In this clip, you can see my uncle is sanding down the cabinet to make it flush so it can sit flat up against the wall. It's the next day, and as you can see, my uncle has finished hanging the cabinets and is now making sure that they are level and is measuring for the crown molding to be put on the top of the cabinets. It's the next day and the fourth day of our install. As you can see, the hardware has been installed onto the cabinet doors, as well as the crown molding has also been installed at the top of the cabinets, which I think just really starts to pull the kitchen together. The homeowner decided to go with beadboard on the back of their island, which I think is a really nice traditional touch for this kitchen. Last clip you saw my brother setting a nail, which happens when the nail isn't quite lodged all the way into the cabinet, which isn't uncommon by any means. That little tool just kind of gives it the last little push and makes it really connect with the cabinet. And then after that, he takes a wax-like material, kind of like a crayon, and colors over that hole that's there, and then wipes away the excess, which leaves the cabinets looking seamless and without any nail holes. As you can see in the last clip, the countertops as well as the sink have been installed. Just a little information on the products we used. The homeowners decided to go with a quartz countertop, which is a little bit stronger and more durable than a granite or a soapstone. The brand that we use here is Cambria, and the color of that countertop is Berwyn. As for the sink, they decided on a Kohler Farm sink in the color Biscuit. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.